Hey there, Internet Explorers. Welcome back to School Club. Today, we've got something really exciting for you. 30 fun Google tricks that you'll want to try immediately. First up, let's start with a classic. Type "do a barrel roll" in the search bar and watch your screen spin in a mesmerizing 360-degree rotation. It's a simple trick, but a guaranteed smile inducer. Now, feeling a bit nostalgic? Type Pac-Man in the search bar and Google will transform into a playable Pac-Man game. Navigate the maze using your arrow keys and gobble up those dots. Feeling lucky? Type "roll a dice" in the search bar and Google will simulate a roll of the dice for you. It's a quick and easy way to make decisions or add a bit of randomness to your day. Having trouble making decisions? Google's got your back. Type "flip a coin" to settle any disputes with a virtual coin toss. It's the digital version of your heads or tails. Planning your next adventure? Type the name of the cities to see flight details and distance between two cities. Or try flight and flight name for real-time flight details and status. Feeling a bit off kidder? Type "askew" and watch as the search results tilt ever so slightly. Google has a sense of humor too. Ever wondered what Google looked like in the 90s? Type "Google in 1998 and take a trip down memory lane. The good old days of dial-up internet. Feeling bored? Type "tic-tac-toe" into the search bar and challenge a friend or Google's AI to a quick game. A simple yet addictive time waster. Mario fans, this one's for you. Type "Super Mario Bros." Click on the question mark box for a nostalgic surprise. Let the adventure begin. Feeling lucky today? Try these search tricks. You can roam around different Google words by just simply using these keywords and clicking on "I'm feeling lucky today." You can experience Google Sphere, Google Space, Gravity, Mirror, and Underwater. You can even play a guitar on Google. Each one is a unique experience you won't want to miss. Web developers gather around. Try the nostalgic HTML blink tag by searching for HTML blink in the search bar. Your screen will blink just like the good old days. Need a break? Type "solitaire" into the search bar and enjoy a game of solitaire right there in your browser. Perfect for a quick mental reset. Curious minds, rejoice. Type "fun facts" into the search bar and Google will serve up a random assortment of interesting tidbits. Expand your knowledge on fun facts at a time. Tea lovers, this one's for you. Type "teapot" in the search bar and watch as Google transforms into a visual teapot. Pour yourself a digital cuppa. Looking for a website similar to your favorite one? Type "related," and the website's name in the search bar and Google will suggest related sites to explore. Refine your search with this trick. This trick narrows down results to a specific phrase within a particular website. You can get specific with your search using this trick. It's a powerful tool to find exactly what you're looking for, whether it's a document, image, or more. Love visual content? Use the Tools button below the search bar to filter and find high-quality images, perfect for presentations, projects, or just some visual inspiration. It can even tell you which one is for free and available to use over the internet. Precision is the key. Enclose your search term in double quotes for an exact match. This is great for finding specific phrases or quotes. Turn numbers into words by typing "number equals English" in the search bar. It's a handy tool for writers, educators, or anyone who loves playing with words. Movie night, anyone? You can just type the movie's name followed by Google Drive to discover potential online streaming options. Movie magic at your fingertips. Feeling a bit nostalgic for the 90s computer experience? Check out Windows 93. It's a quirky and fun visual desktop environment. Navigate the advanced search filters by clicking on the Tools button below the search bar. You can find copyright-free images for your projects using the filters that is on the Tools option below your search bar. Google Search Elevated. Concerned about online privacy? Type "what is my IP address" to quickly find out your current IP. It's a handy tool for those who want to stay informed about their online identity. Need a timer for your next productivity session or workout? Type "set timer" for the time period that you want it to be and let Google be your personal timekeeper. Bypass country-specific results with Google NCR. No country redirect. Get international data without the regional filters. A useful trick for global research. Tailor your search to a specific country with this trick. It's a helpful feature when you're looking for location-specific information. Refine your search by excluding specific words or sites with this trick. It's a powerful way to filter out unwanted results. For the seasoned searchers out there, don't forget the advanced search page. It's a treasure trove of search customization options to help you find exactly what you need. Ever wanted to see an older version of a website? Type cached page to view the cached version. Plus, explore similar sites for a broader perspective.